5,000 years ago, at an unknown place, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. Her skin was as white as snow. Her lips were gorgeous, and her hair was shiny. She was an orphan. She lived at the palace belongs to her stepmother. That arrogant queen has an unimportant habit, which was she always asking her faithful fortune teller who was the most beautiful woman in the universe. And the answer was always the queen. One day, the queen asking the same question to her fortune teller again.
Hey, my faithful fortune teller, who is the most beautiful woman in the universe?
My queen, the most beautiful woman in the universe is Snow White. Sorry, but no, you are not more beautiful than Snow White.
Snow White? It's impossible! My lovely rabbit is more beautiful than her. Don't be joking.
My queen, I'm not joking. If you didn't believe it, you could take a look in the mirror in your palace together with Snow White. Definitely, the one who is more beautiful will be...
Enough! I don't want to hear it, since now you are expelled.
My queen, I didn't mean to.
The queen left the fortune teller's house angrily. She really did not think there was the one who was more beautiful than her. Moreover, she was Snow White, her stepchild. She could not accept this reality. When she arrived at her palace,
it was impossible, really impossible. This was false. Snow White, the child who was just sleeping, eating, sleeping, eating. That fortune teller should be crazy. Snow White cannot be the most beautiful woman in the universe. Ah, Eureka! She must be Venice. Yeah, ha, 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 ha.
the queen was found an idea. She groped her pocket, picked her phone, and pressed some number.
Yes, my queen. What could I do?
The Guardian, go to my room as soon as possible.
Roger. Should I go now?
Tomorrow. Of course now, jerk.
Hehehe. Okay. I will be there immediately. What is the matter, my queen?
I command you to kill Snow White, my stepchild.
What? It is impossible, my queen. I'm afraid to kill a person. Our sin will be unforgivable, and the hell will be waiting for us. Moreover, Snow White was kind-hearted, and...
Don't give me a lecture. If you don't want to do it, I will kill your wife and your children. Now, which will you choose?
Okay, my queen. I will obey your command. But how could I kill her?
Whatever. Stab, hit, burn, torture, or induce. What's your choice? Or you want to throw her to a river? It is fine. Notice that Snow White must die within this night. Understand?
Understood, my queen.
The Guardian was left the queen's room immediately.
Yeah, coming.
Princess, you are called by the queen. She was waiting in her room.
Okay, Guardian, I would be there.
The guardian led Snow White to the queen's room. He has found a way to kill Snow White.
Guardian, sorry, seems like I have spots a rat dung in the kitchen. Could you go there to clean it? I could go to mom's rooms by myself.
Okay, princess. Excuse me.
After assured the guardian has disappeared from the corner of corridor, Snow White ran out of the palace immediately. She decided to escape from her stepmother's killing scam. Finally, she was tired and stopped in the slope of the hill.
I'm so tired. I could die if I keep on running. My mom was really cruel. How could she want to kill me? Luckily, I knew about it. If I didn't, I could not enjoy this view.
Hey, could not you stop grumbling anymore? It was very nice, jerk.
Huh? Oh, sorry. But who are you?
I'm a dwarf who lies behind your place. Don't you realize it?
Oh my God. I didn't see it. I thought this was just a hut. I'm so sorry.
Just saying sorry. You must buy some fruit for us.
What's going on, the Angel? Why did you screaming out like an angry person?
I'm angry. See, this girl was grumbling by her own self, like an insane girl. Our house was disturbed.
It's fine. She has been regret. It's better to let her stay with us. What a pity. Seems like she is tired.
Stay with us? How could? Our house could be started if we let her stay here. I don't want to.
What's wrong? We just hit her, the Angel.
Ha! It's up to you.
Thank you, dwarfs. Sorry if I met some difficulties for you.
Call me the wise, and he is the Angel. Come on.
The wise, Snow White, and the angel was entered the dwarf's house. In the inside, Snow White was welcomed by two other dwarfs.
Wow, Charles newcomer in our home. Chewy, this will be fun. Wait a minute. I will call the sleeper.
Let me introduce ourselves. The dwarf who was welcoming is the joy. The green one is the forgetful.
Welcome. Hey, I am
The forgetful.
I am the forgetful. Who are you?
I am Snow White.
Nah, the red one is the Angel. She is easy to be angry, but actually she is kind. Okay, princess, are you the wicked queen's stepchild?
Yes, but my mom was not wicked. She's just of domination, egoist, and cruel.
Well, it's the same, princess. By the way, why were you walked to here?
Actually, I have been here because I escaped from the palace. My mom wants to kill me. Her fortune teller said if my beauty was exceeding hers, so she wants to kill me, so she could be the most beautiful woman in the universe.
The joy and the sleeper have joined in the room. Everyone was silent.
Unbelievable. Would we kill it just because of pretty looking?
Wow, it's dangerous. Don't let the queen know the princess is here.
Yeah, we must protect Snow White in our house. Agreed?
Agreed. Hey, the sleeper, do you agree?
Agree? About what?
Jerk, the princess was certain to be extinct. I mean to be killed in our house. Do you agree to let her live here peacefully?
Oh. So that is the matter.
Don't say just oh. Do you agree?
Yeah, I'm agree. It could be fun if we live together with a beautiful princess.
Oh, shit.
Okay, thanks. Nice to know you all.
The five dwarfs allowed Snow White to live together in their house. At there, Snow White was treated well. She was also guarding the house while the five dwarfs was working. Snow White felt happy to live together with them. She decided to live forever in their house. Meanwhile, in the queen's palace, the queen was grooming and whistling while her phone was ringing.
Huh, annoying. Don't see am I grooming. Huh. Hello, who are you?
Oh my god, I forget to tell you. This is my cell phone. I'm the fortune teller queen.
What kind of news did you have?
I have seen Snow White. She was still alive and lived in the five dwarfs' house.
What did you say?
I'm not lying, my queen. You know how I did my job, don't you? Hello, my queen. Are you still alive?
I will not die before I kill Snow White with my own hand. Oh no, my gadget!
The angry queen went to make a new plan to finish Snow White. She has got a great idea. Without thinking longer, she began her revenge. One day, Snow White was alone in the five dwarfs' house. She tidied up the kitchen and the dwarf's room. Suddenly, someone has come.
Spada! Yoo-hoo! Spada! 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 Yes. What are you looking for? Oh, girl, I want to offer you a bushiness. A product, I mean. This is a hair vitamin. It makes your hair long quickly without waiting for many years. It is definitely faster than shine cans. Actually, I already have one, but perhaps it is just as fast as motorcycle. Look at my hair; it never gets longer. Yeah, because of that, you will divinely need it. It is as fast as cord. Has been tested in USA. It is 100 natural. Trust me. Okay. How much it costs? It is cheap. Just $20, girl. Yeah. How about $5? My money is low. Well, girl, I could eat just gravel if you pay me $5. How about $15, girl? Okay. Wait. Thanks, girl. I will not forget your goodness. Oh, yeah. You should use it immediately, fresh from oven. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
After a while, Snow White felt unwell on her head. Her head was itchy. Snow White became dizzy. She sat on the chair. Minute after minute, she could not beat it anymore. She was unconscious for a long time. The five dwarfs was home, but she was not conscious yet.
Hey princess, are you sleeping? Wake up, we are home.
What's going on?
She was unconscious. She was not awakening yet.
Let her stretch it. Come on.
Is princess unconscious?
She has died, the angel. We lost her.
Oh my god!
Let's take her to the nearest hospital.
Forgetful, there is no hospital around here.
Hehehe, Sorry, I forget.
Well, someone needs my help. It's better if I go to find out. It must be important.
After about 20 minutes, he felt so tired. He decided to stop on running. He sat under a tree near a small house. It was the five dwarfs' house. The boy heard something suspicious in the outside of their house. He went outside to check it.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm tired of running for a far distance. Are you a dwarf?
Yes, I am the joy. That is my house. Why are you sitting there?
I have to help someone, but I didn't know where. I'm so tired, so I sit here.
Bedway, who are you? Seems like, I have seen you before.
I'm the prince of Siltrin Kingdom in the remote hill.
Oh, I see. You could get some drink in my house. Come on, get in.
Okay, thanks. You are so kind, Joy.
Actually, our princess is unconscious now. We don't know whether she's dead or not.
Aha! I know what should I do.
Oh, thank you, sir. Could you awaken her? We have been given up.
Let me thinking. Aha! I have unique power. Come here, I will tell you.
What? That's embarrassing. Freak!
That's the only way to resolve this problem. Trust me, it will be okay.
What happened? Who was farting, huh?
Him! But, hey, you should talk to me. I have saved you from that. Didn't you know?
Dad? Who is that? And why are you here?
Yes, that's why I'm here.
I'm not died yet. I have just slept because my head was dizzy.
Yeah, it's just misunderstanding, princess.
Moreover, at first we want to find someone who could accompany you while you are alone in the house.
And we thought the right one is him.
What? I do not want to. How could I am accompanied by someone who was farting haphazardly? No way.
Okay, it doesn't matter. I still have 5 concubines in my castle. I don't need you.
Okay. Stop quarreling. Princess, the important one for us is you are still alive. We don't know what to do if you are died.
Yay, we are happy. You are still alive.
Please forgive him and let him go.
Yeah. Hey, Prince. I represent the princess and the others say many thanks for your help. And we are sorry if you are disturbed. Once again, thank you.
Not at all. It's me who want to help you. Okay, I must be leaving now. Take care of yourself first. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Finally, Snow White decided to live together with the 5 dwarfs in their house. The prince went back to his castle. Meanwhile, the queen slowly got angry, heard that Snow White was still alive. She got depressed in her life. She devastated her own castle. Unfortunately, herself was being buried in the ruins of her castle. Snow White was found her happiness and happily along with the 5 dwarfs.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, a cat.